Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today we're decorating for Christmas, and Christmas is not my favorite in the world. I've said that every time, but it is my partner Jacob's, and we went shopping for Target Christmas decor. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I will leave it linked below. And we ordered our Christmas tree on Black Friday from Walmart, and that came in tonight. So we're going to decorate for Christmas tonight and bake some Christmas cookies and just be festive, even though I don't feel very good and I hate Christmas. But that's what we're doing. So I'm gonna bring you guys along and hope this is enjoyable for you guys. And of course, Arthur wants to be in the vlog, per usual. Here's the Christmas tree. We got all our little Christmas decorations. And then I think this is where we're going to put our tree. That's normally where we keep the cat's bed. But I think we'll put the tree there, put our stockings there. And it's right next to our TV. There's our Christmas tree. The cats are so confused. They're like, what is going on? What is it, Artie? What is it? Oh, what is it? Yeah, we don't know. Arthur's already trying to mess stuff up. Arthur?
Arthur's eating part of that.
Are you eating it? Don't eat it. That's gross stuff.
No eating, buddy.
Put together. And by we, I mean Jacob. Cause I can't do nothing right now. Spread it, spread it. That's actually a fairly large tree.
7 foot tall?
Taller than you are.
Yeah. That's why I haven't abandoned my hopes of joining the NBA.
Oh, that one?
Yeah. Gotta mean 3, that's about it.
She is really big though.
Yeah, it's alright. We'll fluff it up, put some ornaments on it, and we'll just fine.
But I'm worried about this space right here.
It'll be okay, trust me.
Look how pretty it is. We got one of the pretty little ones from Walmart. I don't like that little gap right there, but Jacob says we can fix it, so we'll see. He's already destroying stuff. Arthur, stop, buddy. We got a big skirt. So we're gonna, oh, she fancy, she Velcros? Mm-hmm. Oh, girl. Oh, watch out.
Girl, it's too real.
On. We got the little kit thing, and so now we have to go through and put all of the hooks on, which sucks.
These glitter ones are pretty.
You want to decorate?
You wanna put one up?
Yeah. I wanted to help decorate. Actually, I think he just wants to play with it, but we're gonna have him stick one of these on here. Where do you want it to go? Okay, yay, he did it. Woo! Merry Christmas. He just wants to eat them. Yay, good job. Gregory found his new spot where the presents are, because he is the present, huh, Greg? Huh? You're the present, huh, buddy? Putting on the last couple of ornaments right now. Oh, apparently we have more. Look how pretty it's looking though. I think the sparkly ones are really nice. All the ornaments are officially put on. We have to keep them up high because we have little cats who are jerks. Yes, I'm talking about you mostly, Arthur. The other two are sweet little babies who don't do anything wrong. I'm trying to finish something up on the tree, but I wanted to talk about this. I ordered this online from Target for my work Secret Santa gift, because my person, I wanted to get her like cozy, relaxing stuff, and this stuff stinks. It's the peony and rosewater bath salts from Target. It feels really heavy and nice, but the smell of it, whew, child, not good. Not good at all. And I feel bad because I'm still gonna give it to her. Like, I hope she likes it, but I do not recommend getting this. It stinks so bad. Jacob put our topper on without telling me. Oh, you can't see how cute it is. Using mine. Oh, it's pretty. I like that. I think that looks cute. You gonna turn the light off? We're gonna get the full, oh, we can't really see because of the kitchen light, but that's so pretty. See, that is, you guys. That was like, I didn't know.
15 bucks or something?
Yeah, but I didn't know it was gonna shine through like that. It looks really pretty.
I like it.
I like it too. Making Jacob do all of this, but I'm kind of making Jacob do all of this. The couch has like some of the tree stuff on it, but we're gonna put that cover on the back. I want to get rid of the yellow one, baby.
Do we?
Yeah, the yellow doesn't have Christmas.
We only have one pillow.
Yeah, I know, but I want to get the other pillows. That's what I'm saying.
Alright.
So we'll just put the one pillow on there for now.
Yeet.
Don't throw it, babe.
It's our house.
I know, but you can still break stuff in our house. So I just wanted to put that red and black one. I wanted to get a pillow like that, but we couldn't find one at Target. So I'm gonna try to get one from like Ross or something like that to go with it, because I usually like to keep 3 pillows on our couch, and right now we only have the 1. So I'd like to get 2 more Christmassy pillows, but we'll see how that works out. And look how pretty our tree is. Our skirt got kind of messed up, but Roland's back there laying on it. That was an awful angle for me. I'm really excited. I think it looks really cute. Roland, what do you think? You like it? Yeah? Arthur likes it. 2 more pillows for each end, but I think that looks cute right now, and just that plaid blanket, and then 2 pillows. I think that would be really cute on our couch. I don't know how you have this. Oh, that looks good. Because my job was uncute, but that's super cute. I'm gonna keep the fake houseplant there because like that's cute all year round, but that's just like right next to our TV, and I thought that would be a cute little festive way to just spice it up a little bit too. Figured since we're decorating for Christmas, we could decorate or do some Christmas cookies. I got these sugar cookies with the Christmas trees on them, and then I don't think Jacob really loves sugar cookies, so I also got chocolate chip, and we're gonna bake those as well. Right now we're just waiting to hang up our stockings, and then we will start baking some cookies. We're hanging the stockings now. That looks so good. I'm super excited. Are you gonna put the cat's ones below ours?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go here.
I love it. I think it looks so cute. Finished hanging the stockings. We have our 2 stockings, and then we have the ones for the boys. He did it so it says ARG, but they go up from the youngest to oldest. I think it looks really cute. It's our little family. This is super cute. I really like it, actually. I did not realize that these sugar cookies came with 24 cookies in it. So we're actually not gonna do the chocolate chip. We're just gonna do the sugar cookies tonight, and then hold off for another night for the actual chocolate chip cookies. Now that we're done decorating for the most part, we're going to finish baking these cookies and then sit down and watch a movie. I think Jacob wants to do a Christmas movie, which I'm not super stoked about, but I told him that I would. Tonight is a Monday night, and we generally have dinner over at Jacob's parents tonight, so I'm not sure if we're still gonna go do that or not. I don't know the plan for that yet, but once we get done baking these cookies, I think we're just going to sit down and watch a TV show or something. These are out of the oven. It said to only cook them for like 10 minutes. They don't look done to me, but all right, guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. We are getting ready to lay down on the couch and watch a movie. Jacob said it's some sort of Christmas musical, but I'm gonna try to talk him out of watching that. So we'll see what we get into, but I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I'm exhausted. I've been working all day and I don't feel very good. So I'm gonna go. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.